So we've arrived at a very interesting house that's in the middle of Fivizzano. So literally you just walk down the street there and you're in the piazza, which is cool. So it's the whole house, but right there, that door, that space is not for sale. Very typically Italian, hard to understand. So it's the entrance, it's quite a nice entrance, beautiful stone wall. I mean, for 90,000, I'm already in. So let's take a look. Very nice railings.
Ora scendiamo, di sotto sono le scale per andare alle cantine.
Oh, okay. There's stairs that go down to the cantina. Oh, this is really nice. Wow, I really like this house. This is so pretty. It has like this pretty outdoor area. I love the vibe.
Fascino si sente.
I like the vibe. The view is very nice. It looks like a ski lift, but it's not a ski lift going up.
Okay.
Okay, and then it's got this door, another entries. So there's a lot of entryways in this. These are the earthquake chains. So whenever you see these, they call them earthquake chains. They're really just, they tie the building together. If you look outside, you see these giant bolts. We have them at our house as well. And it just sort of prevents the house from shaking this way. It all shakes together so it doesn't fall apart. Which I always find funny because these houses have been here for hundreds of years without these. This is really cute. I really like this house. The floors are perfect, the ceiling's perfect, needs a paint job, some lighting. The good news here is it has electrical, so you don't have to pay an electrician. This is a very cool project for somebody for 90,000 in the middle of the city. I think if you spent 50,000 euros, I mean, it could be a palace, really. I think you could probably move in here for 10, with some furniture, Very cool. Lascia questo?
Sì, sicuramente.
I was asking him if they would leave this typewriter. It would be worth buying the house just for the typewriter.
Questo faceva ancora parte uno scrittoio. Qui c'è stato il primo notaio, diciamo, a livello provinciale a Fivizzano.
Questo?
Questo era uno scrittoio dello studio del notaio.
Really? So this was actually, I think it's good luck, it was in the studio of a notaio, which is an attorney that handles all real estate. Here comes the weird right now. Excuse me, I'm going up to the bathroom. It's like, oh, and it could not be smaller. Oh my God, this is tiny. This is like very bitty. I'd rip this whole thing out and this would just become an alcove again. Because this was an alcove and they just retrofitted this. Yeah, so this would, we take that out. Maybe you could put a coat closet there. Oh, that's a questo.
Andiamo sopra il tetto.
Oh, this goes up to the roof. Actually, it's not a bad thing. I mean, we would put a nicer door in. Weird.
L'ideale sarebbe fare una camera qua.
Camera? Questa piccola per camera. He said this could be a bedroom. I'm like, a bedroom? It's a tiny bedroom. I love the floor though. The floor is fantastic. I do like it. I do like it. Doesn't seem to have a lot of humidity. They had a dehumidifier when we walked up the stairs plugged in. So I think someone bought this, started the renovation, and then stopped the renovation.
Allora, qui manca praticamente il bagno e allora l'idea sarebbe di chiudere qua, fare il bagno qua, apri qua, in questa maniera te c'hai un ingresso,
so, una piano e basta.
È piccolino, sì, però c'è sotto.
I thought this house was much bigger than it is. We've just seen the house. So, e questo, basta questo.
No, ci sono ancora i 2 locali sotto, molto belli.
Well, questo cantina, no?
Andiamo a vederli, sono affascinanti.
Okay. He keeps saying that there are possibilities in the cantina. Let's go see those possibilities,
Vediamo.
shall we? Okay. Let's go see those possibilities. Always a mystery. I mean, this looks like a mouse hole that you go through to go to your lower level. Wow, I'm so disappointed. I had such high hopes for this. Like, this is so grand. Ugh. Foiled again.
Vediamo.
All right, let's go look.
È fantastico.
Yeah, it's fantastico, but this is going to be a garage. So it's a tiny mouse house with a big garage. Perfect. Just what I've been looking for. Yeah, we're talking 60 grand in here for sure, 100%. Oh my God, mamma mia. Boy, am I glad I changed my shoes. This is crazy.
Allora, qui è possibile fare taverna. Allora.
Oh, so these are the stairs that go up. See, these are the stairs when you go through the little mouse hole, you come down these stairs. You know, I would really have to like ponder this. I'd really have to think about this, like how this would work on a floor plan, because the upstairs, the problem with that little opening is there's no way to make that a bigger opening. So the wall, when you walk in on the right, it's actually not your property. So you can't move that wall. So yeah, it's a issue. Okay. So this was a store. Oh, he's trying to open it. He's so cute. I mean, I love him. He's so adorable. Anyway,
Wow.
So, oh, ciao. The thing that's kind of cute about this is that this could be the kitchen, and we looked, and you could open it up and put a doorway. So this is the cool hallway. And if you open up the doorway here, then this can be the kitchen. It's very cute. You could say hi to your friends, ciao ciao. You can open the windows, everybody can see you cooking.
Fantastico.
Carina perché un tavolo è qua.
Meraviglioso.
E come fuori, come mangiare fuori.
Come mangiare fuori.
Yeah, it's actually quite cute. Okay, so I'm back. I'm more excited now. I'm happier. I don't like being disappointed, you know, when I look at a property. I want the potential. So it's still a space for one person or a couple that really just wants a very tiny space. It's a lock and leave kind of situation. You're in the middle of town, so you can walk to everything. But I still think it's expensive. So I've been talking to him about the price, and I think it needs to come down. I think it needs to be like 90,000 negotiable. And I think if you have a 50 to 60,000 euro budget to renovate this, and you know, I'm really realistic. I mean, I could sit here and tell you, you know, 10,000 and it wouldn't get you very far. But I think that if you have that, you know, you're willing to spend 100 to 120,000 on this space, I think it's worth it, because I think it's a great little pied-à-terre. And the good news is you have no guest rooms, so you don't have to have any guests. And for some people, that's a selling point. Okay, I'm kind of sold on this place, so I want someone to buy it so I can help them refurbish it, because I'm very into this kitchen. I think if you sold this, you could probably get like 175, 200 for it, I would think. Completely done. I mean, like, you know, done up. If it was done up and it was like 190, I would buy it for sure, because you're in the middle of town. Okay, I've had a minute to think about it, because I really felt like I was on an emotional roller coaster here. Which I was. I was like, oh, I love it. Now I want to buy it. I've gone from, I don't know, let's buy this. So I've had a minute. This is a very big hallway. So here's what I thought of. Because I realized that the downstairs little store is going to be the kitchen, and it's fantastic. Just the best, cutest kitchen ever. And so charming. I mean, you're like right there having a glass of wine, having some cheese. The windows are open, there's like cute little plants there, and people are walking by. Oh my gosh, I love that kitchen. And that's the thing for me, if I love the kitchen. So, all right, I digress. Here's what I would do. I would cut, this is a big hallway, and it takes up a lot of square footage. So I would actually cut the hallway to here, So you come in, it's your landing pad. Well, you know, just find the right little moment here of where it needs to be. There's a doorway that leads into the next room, which is a sitting room. This door actually sort of moves over here. The other thing I would do is I would rip out all of this plaster just above these corbels, because I have a feeling this is all brick. And so I would expose that. That's one of the questions I'm gonna have for Marco. Because I am actually seriously thinking about buying this now. I went from I hate it to I'm buying this. So you walk through here. This is part of the sitting area. Beautiful light, beautiful windows. You know, I just see a big old poofy chair there and an ottoman and reading your book there, and it's so cozy. And then this obviously, well, this will be opened as well. So we have basically a door here and a door here. And then this will become the sitting room, and it can be a sitting room, it can have a dining room table in it maybe, but I don't know if it even needs that, you know? I mean, I think a sitting room is great. We put a wall here, and then we put a little hallway that goes to the bathroom, because this would then become the bathroom. So there'd be a door here, and this is the bathroom, and then the bathroom opens to the, oh, there's a little step down here. The bathroom opens to the bedroom. So we have a bedroom, a bathroom, a nice sitting room, and a kitchen downstairs. So those are all the things you really need. So for one person or a couple, Michael and I have decided we're gonna buy it and we're gonna Airbnb it. So we'll Airbnb it. And for a couple, this is what a cute place to stay. And you're right in the city. But first we have to see if they're gonna come down in price, because I'm not paying $90,000 for this. There's just no way. So am I gonna like just now start doing this, like walking around and just going, yeah, I'll take that. Instead of buying like shoes, we're just gonna buy properties. I love this. All right. And the nice thing is you don't have to refinish the floors. There's some minor construction that needs to be done. The kitchen could be absolutely adorable. My God, I love that kitchen so much. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. All right, thanks you guys. Thanks for joining us. If you've gotten this far, please like and subscribe. And we're gonna go see some more houses now.